Let's have a look at the drill and impact driver combo kit. We have tested various types of drivers and the verdict is in. The Milwaukee combo set does the job. The T-Drivers kit is a must if you want to easily assemble any structure, especially if you're planning to build many structures. The drivers are light and easy to maneuver, yet the 18-volt compact battery is more than enough to handle the demand. Included in the kit is a hammer drill, great all around for drilling through surfaces, countersinking, things of that nature. An impact driver, which is ideal for tightening all those nuts and bolts. 2 18-volt batteries to last you through the day, a multi-voltage charger, and lastly, a contractor's bag to keep it all in one place. Some complementary products that will also help accelerate the speed and efficiency when building is the 5mm drill bit, which is used to tighten the nuts and bolts, and the Robertson square head bit, used to fasten the various types of screws, whether to reinforce structures or to install surfaces or to fix any of the many types of accessories that can truly bring out the best out of any structure you make. The torque may vary slightly with the various connectors available. The rule of thumb when using the impact drill to tighten the nuts and bolts is to use the 1-2 method, where we press and hold the trigger for 1 second at a time, 2 times. We want to be able to feel for the thread on the other side of the nut. If the pipe spins, then tighten a little more. When dealing with multiple nuts and bolts, think about crisscrossing to not over tighten one side more than the other. For more information, head over to flexpipeinc.com to learn more about the T-Drivers kit, as well as all the other tools we have available to make assembling structures as efficient as possible.